Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a custom currency type field in Salesforce. So all you have to do is go to setup and navigate to any object. For now, I'm in suppliers. Go to fields and relationships and click new. I will choose currency field type. This field type is used to store information about dollar or any other currency. So let's say we want to store price of something or a fixed cost or tax or something. So we will simply create a currency field and you'll click next. Let's just say fixed tax. And we want it to be 16 to 2. What this means is that we need to have two decimal places and 16 uh, numeric values. So the value can be, we can have 16 digits, decimal, and 2 digits after the decimal, right? The maximum limit is 18 digits. So if we make this 18, we will not be able to have any decimal points. So if we want to have decimal points, we have to reduce this. And the total should be either 18 or less than 18, right? And let's just click next, leave everything as is and go next. Make this field visible for everyone. Click next. Yes, we want to put it on the supplier page layout, so we will hit save. Now, if we go onto our supplier page, if we refresh, right here. So we just added our new field called fixed tax, which shows up right here. You may also notice that there's another empty field called supplier premium. So these are both currency field. This field will contain the premium that we need to pay the supplier whenever we sign off with them, and then this is a fixed tax that we'll have to pay to the supplier. So let's say we just signed off Verizon and we need to pay $250 as premium, and let's say there's another fixed tax of $100 that we have to pay. So as you can see, the currency shows up automatically. We're gonna hit save right here. So the premium is 250, and then there's a fixed tax of $100. And there we have it. So these are our currency fields, $100, $250. Thank you.